dreaming about a beautiful manicure and well-groomed nails, but have never tried a UV gel manicure before? It's very simple. We'll share useful tips that will help you to do it right. A properly prepared nail plate is the key. Start by pushing back the pellicles and cuticles from the surface of the nail using a pusher or a wood stick, and remove the cuticles. To do it, you can use a softening product like a cuticle remover. Do not shake the UV gel polish bottle, as it may saturate the UV gel polish and create ugly bubbles during application. To mix the UV gel polishes, simply roll it gently in your hands. When a nail is uneven, the UV gel polish gets inside the cavities and is uneven. To avoid this and achieve even coverage of UV gel polish with only 2 layers, build and even the nail plate with your favorite building base coat. How to apply a UV gel polish. Start from the center and move on to the sides. Don't forget to secure the free edge of each layer of a UV gel polish. Apply the UV gel polish slowly to avoid ugly bubbles forming on the surface. But if they appear, don't worry. You can remove them using a thin brush, for example the 2-in-1 multi-tool. Enjoy a beautiful color for a long time. With us, you're supported all the way through.